Okay, it's the day after Gustav now. It's Tuesday. Still have no idea what time it is because the power's still out. As you can see, we got considerably more water. Yesterday evening, it really just seemed like a torrential downpour most of the day. And we've seen this corner of the yard get flooded out like this before. But the thing we've never seen is the entire backyard flooded to this extent, right up to the stairs of the deck. The front yard's still in good shape, but the backyard is a lake. I had moved the bird feeder to this tree yesterday so that I wouldn't have to wade through the water to refill it tomorrow. But here it is tomorrow, and I guess I'm SOL. The birds are around and they're chirping, they're hungry. There's nowhere clearly to really access to put seed today, so I think we're just going to throw some on the deck and let them come up and get it here. But as you can see, all the wind and all that is done, and it's a little bit gray, but not bad. Getting hot. Unfortunately, now our second day without air conditioning, it's really getting uncomfortable. It's hard to sleep last night, but other than that, we have survived. It looks like we have something actually swimming in the water down here. I don't know what that is, but anyway, we're okay.